PSDS, only thing I can do is salute to all of you for giving out or coming out with these ideas which I can never imagine. So hearty congratulations and may the best win. All the best to all the people. Rocket, I promise you that PSDS would have worked on something because they are very, very smart, intelligent planners. You won't realize for next 1 or 1.5 hours, you won't even realize that the time has gone and you will tell them when is the next event. I'm telling you.
I am
I think hats off to the team of PSDS who came up with this. I don't know where do they get these ideas from. You just give them, you just talk to them on the phone and they would have already had 3-4 ideas already done. And I have to only say, okay, that's it. They don't give me any chance to say, no, Baba, don't do this, don't do that. And this is where I feel proud.
Thank you, participants. How could I forget, all the participants who have performed today. What a wonderful, wonderful performance. And, it's a different experience watching a comedy circus, a comedy show on television. And without the orchestra and those kind of effects, it's a completely different experience. It has been a completely different experience watching, performances online today, and I thoroughly enjoyed all the performances.
And we're back with the second national event, our stand-up comedy. Something we all were eagerly looking forward to. I think the OC has been supremely pumped. This is the filter that they launched is testimony to that. They launched HR College's first national event series filter for this event, and they've been really, really pumped about it. And it's so good to have. We have the best of the best. We have an esteemed panel of judges that we couldn't be more grateful for, Ms. Zainab and Ms. Pooja.
The entire team has worked very, very hard for this. We had the dream of Off the Cuff in October, and since then we've been working hard at it till now, and we still have to go till April. So it's really a huge project for all of us. I think even last night, the entire team, the entire OC here was on a Zoom meeting till 2 a.m. trying to figure out the details and everything, and they were working hard. So a huge shout out to the entire OC, the heads, the sub-heads and everyone. You guys have done an amazing job. And of course, a huge thank you to both of our judges.
You guys are so adorable. I have not been to any event where the kids have taken effort to put themselves in suits and everything before the show. It's fantastic. It speaks volumes about the kind of effort that has gone into it and how seriously you all have taken this. Let's not take it seriously at all anymore. Just sit back, have fun. At the end of the day, it's a comedy show. Relax. I am very, very excited.
So I'm a lawyer by day and a comedian by night. And come on, we all know what that truly means. अगर कल को FIR लगा तो लीगल फीस पे बचत ही बचत.
Covered.
Enthusiasts who like to rant about absolutely nothing, because there's nothing to rant about an online event, Miss Event Head. All you have to do, listen carefully, one thing you have to do, just click on the goddamn Zoom link, bro. There's nothing you have to do.
As we now witness the premiere of the second event of this national series, The Funny Bone, a stand-up comedy show, I would like to quote the words of Karen Mayfield. Pooh said, to laugh is easy, but to make others laugh is so much more worthwhile.
We shall now begin with the performances. It's not my job to stand up here, rather sit here and bore you, but it is my job to introduce you to people who will.
Like, तेरा इंट्रो भेजना पड़ेगा मेरे को. And I'm like, क्यों भेजना है? She's like, क्योंकि तू funny नहीं है bro, क्योंकि तू famous नहीं है. And I'm like, dude, ऐसा मुंह पे बेइज्जती नहीं करते ना bro, तू माँ थोड़ी है मेरी.
With that inconvenience, I understand. हाँ, inconvenience तो बहुत है. बाकी वो progress, regret, वो सब तो अभी कोरोना के कॉलर ट्यून जैसा है यार. वो अभी संजय मांजरेकर के कमेंट्री जैसा है.
तुम अपना 300 किलो का फिल्टर लगा के फोटो भेज दो. तुम्हारी गली में 2 आंटियों की लड़ाई चल रही है, उसकी वीडियो बना के भेज दो. कम से कम मनोरंजन तो होगा.
एक बार मेरी मम्मी मुझे मैसेज कर रही थी और वो 22 मिनट तक टाइपिंग चल ही रहा था और 24 मिनट की घनघोर टाइपिंग के बाद मैसेज आता है एक गुलाब का फूल. मतलब क्या बाग से तोड़ के लाई क्या इसको जो 24 मिनट लगाती.
You guys know that if Jurassic Park opened in India, could you guys imagine what would happen? You know, if the park had to open in India, that park would be owned by a very rich family. And that family would change the name from Jurassic Park to Georassic Park.
I'm like, Nani partner, no fear when Raj is here. Also, I'm thinking that किसी को शिद्दत से चाहो तो कुछ भी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिल जाने के लिए कुछ जाती.
This argument is equivalent to arguing to any Indian parent. Like the logic is missing, guys.
इंडियंस कितने लेजी रेसिस्ट लोग हैं, मतलब हम देख सकते हैं क्योंकि हमने कैरम और चेस इन्वेंट किया है. बैठे बैठे खेलो और व्हाइट हमेशा जीतेगा.
इंडियंस को सलाद का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझा भाई साहब. कभी रेस्टोरेंट में चले जाओ पापा के साथ, पापा पूछें क्या खाएगा, पापा सैलेड. सलाद वो तो साथ में आएगा ना, खाएगा क्या वो बता. प्लेन सलाद.
उस आंटी के कारण हमारा करवा चौथ का व्रत हो गया. मैं तो भाई रुका हुआ था कि अंकल आए, मैं ऐसे छन्नी लेके रुकूं और अपना करवा चौथ का व्रत. तो
You shouldn't read news from one source because it could be biased. So you should opt for 2 to 3 sources. So you get 2 to 3 biased opinions.
Doctors है ना, वो they have the right to touch you wherever they want, and they don't know anything about consent. Like 5 साल MBBS में क्या किया जब consent नहीं पढ़ा तुमने?
I recently turned atheist और ये चीज मैंने पापा को बताई. Cause you know openness. लेकिन मेरे पापा ने मेरे को will और WhatsApp ग्रुप दोनों से निकाल दिया.
सोते हैं वो जिन्हें पता ही नहीं है कि उनका माइक ऑन है और अपनी लाइफ में मस्त रहते हैं. मम्मी यार पराठे में नमक ही नहीं है यार, मैं क्या करूं. मम्मी आती है कहती है नमक शमक डाल देते हैं.
Little known fact is that Ajinkya Rahane, the Indian Test captain, actually called Johnny Depp after the 36 all-out fiasco, just because he wanted some tips on how to beat the Australians.
We are very grateful to all the participants who intrigued and entertained us and made sure that our Sunday afternoon was well spent. Lastly, I would like to thank the audience for showing such enthusiasm and support and making the second national event of our PSBS magnum opus of the Cup, a national intercollegiate literary event series of HR College, an overwhelming success. Thank you everyone for joining in.